right, good morning, everybody. Made it to a Friday. Okay, so let me tell you what I got going on right here. I did buy just a few minutes ago in DRMA. Let's look at that real quick. DRMA also bought a little bit of JDST, but DRMA is on the move. DRMA just went through my third level. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of DRMA, watching it. Finger on the trigger, ready to get out of DRMA. In at 303. Out of DRMA. All right, so I still have a little bit of JDST on. Let's look at JDST.
JWAC.
All right, in JDST right here, bought it at 585. Morning, Glenn. How are you this morning? All right, so I'm looking over my scanner here. See if we see anything here that is moving. Continue to watch POLA. POLA looks like it wants to come down further. I'm going to leave that alone. GFAI again. Let's look at GFAI. GFAI. It looks like it may want to go lower as well. HOUR. Nah, stay away from HOUR. All right, not seeing a whole lot else here. Let's see. All right, so far in and out of DRMA, we are still in JDST. IDRX, no, IDRX looks like it wants to go lower. Yeah, IDRX. I think that's going to go down a little bit more here. All right, let's see what else we have on the radar. BBLN. Nice volume. That's going down. I don't want to touch that. I just don't. Just not a whole lot going on yet, folks. Let's check out TRVN is another one that's just popped up. Volume's decent, spreads all right. It looks like that wants to go lower. What else we have here? ZURA. What I'm doing here is I'm just going through some of my stocks that are popping up here. Some of these are more of the popular stocks that people were watching this morning. ZURA. It does have some potential. ZURA. We'll watch it. Spread's too big right now. You have about a 30-cent spread. That's way too big. We'll keep it on the radar. TCRX. We've seen that one come up before. TCRX. Spreads are right. That looks like it wants to work lower, so I'm going to stay away from that. What else we have? Just no volume on these guys. CBI, nothing there. Don't like that. Below a dollar. CTSC. Stay away from CTSC today. It just seems whenever I get into it, it doesn't do anything, doesn't move. Stay away from that. Couple more. I want to take a look at VS. Now, below a dollar, don't want it. And one more SBNY. Low cents. Don't want that either. All right. Let's see what else we have this morning.
DRMA.
Not already out of DRMA. Already played DRMA, but it looks like it did make a new high. Let's take a look at first of all, let's look at our indices. Take a look at the mini Russell.
CSSE.
Not seeing anything there I like. Let's look at the mini NASDAQ. Nothing there I like. That is, they're both going up. E-mini S&P. Nothing there I like. Gold looks like it's going higher. Nothing on gold. All right, so the only thing I have on right now is JDST. JDST, pretty quiet.
GOL. LEJU.
All right, let's get some targets on JDST. I do have a few. Of 599. So seeing a 610. Okay, 599, 610. May have to see. I'm going to see what this does on the opening. If JDST doesn't start moving up, I'm going to just get out of it. So still long JDST at 585. All right. Sit and wait. In the meantime, if anybody has a particular stock they want me to look at or commodity, be glad to take a look at it for you. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, hit that notification bell so we can keep you updated on any new videos that we release. By you subscribing, that helps my channel stay on the air as long as I see an interest or continue to do this for the first hour every morning to demonstrate my unique way of trading. So basically, I trade for the first 3 hours in the morning. If something's moving in the afternoon, I'll do it. But most of my activity, most of my trades are going to be within the first 3 hours. I do trade the first hour. That's open for everybody. The other 2 hours, we trade with our subscribers.
CNLS.
Also, keep in mind, folks, that so just a little disclaimer here. Do not blindly follow my trades. Also, keep in mind, whenever you're watching anybody through YouTube, there is a delay. It's about a 10-second delay. So by the time that I get in and you see that, it's going to be about a 10-second delay. So never try to mirror my trades. If in our live trading room via Zoom, there is no delay, obviously, because we are not going through YouTube when we're broadcasting through Zoom. Also, remember, never trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Trading is risky. Most people do lose money, so never blindly follow me or anybody else. Always practice in a simulator before you ever go live with real money. I am not a financial advisor, nor do I trade funds for anybody. I do trade my own account. And I do teach my unique approach of trading that I've used for the last 35 years of my 40-year career. What I do now is pretty much set in stone. I have two unique tools, so to speak, that I use, and that's it. It's not, trading does not have to be complicated. But it's important that you use reliable tools. I have very, very quiet. GDST's not moving. I don't see anything else popping up on the radar. Of course, it being a Friday, who knows whether we're going to have a big day today or not. You want to look at coin. Okay, Glenn, we'll look at coin. Yeah, I see coin going higher, sir. One target's, let's see here.
DRMA.
Got an HF2 buy on coin. That put you up to 60.56.
DRMA.
And we'll give you one more nice HF1 buy up here to 60.65. Looks like it's going higher though. I like it. Looks good. Looks like coin's gonna move higher. Not gonna really run into any selling until you get up to 52, 54, but who knows, by the time you get up there, that could dry up. But I do see that you can should be able to get up to at least 65 today. Even higher. Anything else? Nothing else. And everything's quiet. Scanners are quiet. Everything's quiet. Already traded DRMA, got out after it hit level 3. I am setting up higher levels on DRMA, but I'm going to go ahead and just stay out of DRMA. Wouldn't be surprised to see it have an additional pop here after the opening. All right, just holding long on JDST. See what JDST wants to do. See how quiet JDST is here. Look at that. Just single prints. I think that's going to change after the opening, so that's what I'm looking for. If we don't pick up after the opening, I'm going to go ahead and just get out of JDST. All right, so looking for a higher opening this morning on the Dow. The mini Dow's up 111. All the indices are up right now with the
DRMA.
E-mini's up 12. Mini Russell's up 6. Mini Nasdaq's up 23.
SOL.
Still not seeing anything on gold, crude, natural gas. Very quiet. All right, gonna look at some of these other ones. BDLN. Yeah, looks like that wants to go lower. Hello. Let's see. BBLN, I could see it coming down to
ANGH.
125.
ANGH.
Have another one at 122.
ARVL.
Right. Still very quiet. See more buying coming in. JDST, 133,000 shares. Spread on the bid ask is a penny. We'll see if we can't get that to pick up a little bit here.
LKCO.
All right, so we have about 4 minutes here before the opening bell. Just hanging tight, still long my JDST. That's why I bought it. 585, 585.
AIRS.
Mark that so I don't forget it. This is actually an HF2. HF2 pattern
POAI.
buy.
CKPT.
Have a few targets sitting up here. And we have about 2 minutes to go here before the opening bell. I'm waiting to see how this JDST is going to react after the opening here in about a minute. Decide whether I hold it or get out.
ELEV.
All right, less than 10 seconds to go before the opening bell. We are looking for a higher opening.
DSGN.
Hey, we're up 86.
KALV. CYTH. NSN.
Up 86 on the
BAOS.
90 on the down.
MRKR. DN. DAPP.
Go long JDST. Gonna see if we can get up to let's see where our targets are.
ELEV. ASP.
599.
ACHV. LITM. APEI. ALXO. COMS. AADI. AIRS. FRLN. CKPT. MPAA. JOAN. AEI. CUEN. MBOT. MINM. DIAN. NOTV. MINM. MINM. ARVL. AIRS.
Waiting to see if we can get through this wall of sellers. Small position on at 85.
CMPS, SONM, MPAA, DRMA, MINM.
Let's look at MINM. That's been on my radar this morning. Nope, don't see anything there. No setups. I have one, but it's a little bit longer term.
DRMA, MINM.
DRMA, we've already gotten in, got down to DRMA, but that is really nicely taken off.
CMPS, MPAA, AADI, DRMA, PIII, DRMA, JWAC.
All right, I got out of JDST, just couldn't get going this morning. Took a $16 loss on that. All right, I am flat. Looking at BBLN. Had a couple targets down there. Look to buy maybe a bounce. Watching BBLN.
HMST, MINM.
All right, flat across the board.
AIRS,
Seeing that bounce on BBLN.
DRMA, ASPS, PLM,
DRCT,
SMS. Not liking that. Not enough volume. Too big a spread.
LRMR, ENFN, EMBK,
LRMR. Nope, no going LR. Too volume, way too light. Way too light. TBST. TBST could have a little pop here.
AUGX, FRBA,
CLRO. It's like CLRO wants to go lower. Go from that POLA.
MDXH. GAZ.
Not seeing anything there. GFAI. I like GFAI. I'm going to buy a little bit of GFAI.
CETX.
Let me double check on GFAI. 2-cent spread. Yeah, I'll buy a little bit of GFAI. All right, long GFAI. Let's get some targets. All right, my first target on GFAI is going to be up to 550.
GFAI. SOLBEEN.
I bought it at 42.
CNSP. BEEN.
The HF1 buy, GFAI.
PIII. MPAA.
I'll target up 56.
AUGX.
Up to 54. 554.
MPAA.
All right, long
MEIA.
GFAI. Still in at 40. Let's see what I say. 42.
MPAA. ENFN.
In at 542.
AUGX. CMPS.
All right, let's see if we can get some more buying in here. We get some more buying in here. I may add to this.
CMPS.
Watching, looking at
DRCT.
time and sales, see what kind of order sizes we have coming in.
PIII. GAZ.
Yeah, we may have a possible buy coming up on natural gas. Let's look at natural gas real quick.
BAOS.
Right, I'm gonna buy some natural gas.
DSGN. ENFN. JOAN.
This is an HF2 buy on natural gas.
CMPS. AUGX.
Target's gonna bring me up to 22.45.
CETX.
Well, that's gonna be my profit target, 22.45. And 21.55 would be a reversal.
LITM.
Okay.
AUGX.
I'll watch GFAI. Still on GFAI.
TANH. ENFN. ALXO. STSA. SLRX. KRBP. CUEN.
Watching GFAI. I'll get out around 22 on this long that I'm in.
DSGN.
I won't hold GFAI below 22. Get out at 22.
ENFN. PIII BAOS.
Holding but quiet.
AUGX.
All right, got out of GFAI.
AADI.
Out of GFAI. Took a loss on GFAI. And still
PIII
long the gas. Let's take a look at natural gas. All right, I'm right here at entry still, looking for a target of 22.45. 22.45. Dow's up 8. Getting a short on the E-mini S&P. Gonna take a short on the E-mini S&P. Let's look at the E-mini S&P. All right, short the E-mini S&P is get a target. Target would bring me down to, wow, 41.41. Okay, profit target 41.41
AUGX.
on the ES. This is a pairing pattern short.
CUEN. TANH GMBL. AIP CUEN CU of E CMPS AUGX PLSE JWAC
Okay, let me get a reversal. Has a reverse on this E-mini. It's going to be up here at let's see, 41.59.75.
PLSE IVDA JWAC FRLN
This is also a nice place to add on at this level right here. So I'm going to put one more on here. The ES.
KALV
All right, I added to my short. Go back to GFAI, still pretty quiet, nothing going on in GFAI. Already out of GFAI, got very quiet. All right, traded a little bit of JDST this morning.
AUGX
Already out of DRMA. That was a nice little trade this morning. So no more DRMA for me today.
AUGX
AUGX. So we're getting up to the top of the hour once again. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, if you hit that notification bell, we'll keep you updated. on any new videos that we put out.
GOL. PIII.
Good POLA. Oh, we already played GFAI. We're out of that. And I could see that possibly going even
LE.
lower. IBRX, once again, just looking to see if there's any other plays in here. Fridays can be kind of a mixed bag. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. IBRX. Like that one to go lower. BBLN. Already had a nice little bounce on BBLN. AIRS. I like it, but the spread's too big on the bid and the ask. We're looking at about a 10-cent spread. JWAC, volume too low. ALXO, volume too low.
BIVI.
ZIMV. I could see ZIMV coming down a little bit. All right, so we're at the top of the hour. So what do I have in play? I am short. The E-mini and long the natural gas. Let's look at natural gas.
CRESY.
Natural gas up a little bit from where I got in.
SKYT.
Natural gas. So up a little bit from where I got in. It's an HF2 buy on natural gas. And we are still short the E-mini. Did add on to the
ALXO.
E-mini. Let's look at that. All right, E-mini is looking good, going green after that add-on. All right, that's going to wrap it up for today. Wrap it up for the week.
BAOS.
Watch for my recap. I'll do a recap on all the trades that I made today. Right now, I am up a little bit for the day. Now, if we have a big break on the CES, could turn out to be a really nice day. So we'll see also on the natural gas. All right, folks, more information, please check out my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, and/or at my website under the same name. Everybody have a good weekend. Mothers out there, enjoy Mother's Day, and we will see you first thing Monday morning. Take care.